Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa.
We are Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Welcome to 1267 South Lake Road, the ultimate Canandaigua Lake architectural treasure.
This is a one-of-a-kind property situated on 5+ acres with a main house and a beach house with 104 feet of beautiful waterfront. So let's take a tour.
Enjoy spectacular lakefront living in this open Adirondack-style great room, featuring a living area with 22-foot beam ceilings, a stone fireplace, a breathtaking wall of windows, and Brazilian cherry floors. Open to a cook's kitchen with custom cherry cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, and granite countertops with a center island, all with scenic lake views. The first floor also includes a custom powder room, a spacious laundry, and this stunning master suite with wood beam ceilings, deck access, and a designer bathroom with artistic hand-placed tile work.
Entertain family and friends in this expansive walkout lower level with an activity area for a pool table with built-in cabinetry and an adjacent full bathroom. Plus a media living space too. This beautiful custom mahogany staircase leads to a stunning loft overlooking the great room, with 2 spacious bedrooms, a full bathroom, plus a guest room or office, all with those amazing lake views.
What completes this architectural masterpiece is this expansive deck, great for entertaining, a rear patio, and over 5 acres for total privacy. With a beach house and 104 feet of waterfront, you have it all with this Canandaigua Lake dream home.
Canandaigua is a great place to live.
There's always something fun to do, whether it's enjoying the many restaurants and shops, a concert at CMAC, or a stroll through Kershaw Park. Water activities are a blast on Canandaigua Lake.
In all seasons, this area has a lot to offer. Here we are at Bristol Mountain. What a great place to ski, just minutes away from Canandaigua Lake. At the end of the day, life is sweet on Canandaigua Lake.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 1267 South Lake Road on gorgeous Canandaigua Lake.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide. Cheers to living here!